Data plays a critical role in driving business decisions in almost every industry today, including healthcare, retail, finance, accounting, and government institutions. A data entry professional is responsible for collecting initial data and entering it into a system or database. This can also include updating data into an electronic system from existing paper documentation or transcribing audio or video files into the database. A data entry job doesn't typically require specialization. However, most employers want to hire candidates with at least a high school diploma or bachelor's degree in any field. While you may not need a formal degree for this job, a career in data entry requires proficiency in several skills. For example, you should be able to type quickly and accurately, have an eye for detail, be well-versed in Microsoft Excel, and be able to work under a deadline. Some important data entry skills that most employers seek include typing speed, typing accuracy, communication skills, time management, attention to detail, ability to research and collect data, understanding of basic software, self-motivation, high level of concentration, organizational skills, ability to multitask, discretion, critical thinking, summarization skills, typing speed. A data entry job requires you to type large amounts of information, often under tight deadlines. Candidates must have a fast typing speed and good typing accuracy to accomplish this. The more words per minute you can type, the faster you'll get the job done. While there are no hard and fast words per minute requirements, a candidate should have a minimum typing speed of 40 words per minute (WPM) to achieve a standard efficiency level as a data entry operator. Some employers may even require a speed of 70 to 90 WPM for higher-paying jobs. Check out free online typing tests to learn your current typing speed. If you want to land a job as a data entry professional, you'll want to hone your typing skills. Like any other skill, fast and accurate typing just comes down to practice. The more you do it, the better and faster you'll get. However, a few additional tips can help you improve your keyboard skills more intentionally. Use all 10 fingers while typing. This method helps you type faster than if you were typing with just 2 fingers, like most beginners do. You can find a number of tutorials online to learn how to position your fingers for maximum typing efficiency. Look at the screen, not the keyboard. To be a proficient typist, train yourself to look at the screen while typing and let your fingers find the right keys using muscle memory. Switching between looking at both the keyboard and the screen while typing will slow you down. With enough practice and a conscious effort to keep your eyes focused only on the screen, you'll be able to type without looking at the keyboard. Use shortcuts. Computer shortcuts can save you time spent switching between the keyboard and mouse. For example, use the tab or enter buttons to move to the next line. Excel has many shortcuts to make your data entry process quicker. Practice, practice, practice. Regular typing practice will make the most significant difference in your speed. 15 to 20 minutes of typing per day is a great start, as it can help you build muscle memory and improve your typing speed and accuracy.